Welcome to Tromsø, Norway, known as the gateway to the Arctic. Our cruise docked here for the day, and instead of booking an excursion, we decided to explore on our own. Tromsø turned out to be one of the easiest and most affordable ports to enjoy, and we packed in so much. From taking the funicular up to the incredible viewpoint overlooking the fjords, hiking down the famous Sherpa Steps, wandering through the colorful harbor, and even trying a reindeer hot dog from what's called the best hot dog stand in the world, this was one unforgettable day. So come along as we show you exactly how to make the most of your time in Tromsø, even if you're just stepping off the ship and doing it all yourself. Welcome to World Wanderers.
We're Alicia and Will.
Come wander the world with us.
Today we pulled into Tromsø. The weather is absolutely beautiful, and you can see our ship way back there in the background. We walked across the bridge, you can see, and came to the cable car and up to this viewpoint called Fjellheisen, and it is absolutely stunning up here. Definitely worth coming up to the top.
Our ship, the Celebrity Apex, docked at the Breivika cruise terminal, like most ships visiting Tromsø. The terminal is about 4 kilometers north of the city center, so you're not quite in the heart of the town when you step off the ship. Luckily, Tromsø makes it really easy to get around. Free shuttle buses were running continuously between the port and the city center, and it only took about 10 minutes to get there. Walking is technically an option, but it would have taken close to an hour, so we opted for the short line and the comfortable ride instead. The shuttles also ran regularly throughout the day, making it super convenient to get back on the ship when we were ready. Our main goal for the day was to get up to the Tromsø viewpoint, but along the way we planned to stop and see the Arctic Cathedral. It's one of Tromsø's most famous landmarks, known for its bold modern architecture with steep triangular lines designed to reflect the surrounding Arctic landscape. Since we wanted to see it along the way, and the weather at the end of August was absolutely beautiful, we decided to walk. The route took us across a long bridge with a dedicated lane for walkers and cyclists, and it led us straight to the cathedral. The walk took us a little over 20 minutes at a relaxed pace, but if you'd rather not walk, you can take the public bus in about 8 minutes or drive there in around 6. We viewed the Arctic Cathedral from the outside, but if you'd like to go in, admission cost 80 Norwegian kroner, which is roughly $8 per person. From the Arctic Cathedral, it was about a 15-minute walk to the Fjellheisen Funicular, which takes you up to one of the best viewpoints in all of Tromsø. The station is easy to find, and you can spot the cable cars traveling up the mountain from quite a distance. Tickets can be purchased right at the base, and the ride itself only takes a few minutes, but it brings you high above Tromsø with absolutely breathtaking views of the fjord, the city, and the surrounding mountains. To get up here, you have 3 options. You can either take the cable car, you can take the Sherpa Steps, or you can take the off the beaten path trail, which was not recommended to us. We decided to do a one-way cable car up, which cost 290 Norwegian kroner per person. You could have done a round trip for 445 kroner per person, but we opted to walk down. We'll see if that was a mistake in a bit. Right next to the top of the Fjellheisen Funicular is a gorgeous panoramic viewpoint overlooking Tromsø. From here, you can see the entire city, the bridge, and the surrounding fjords and mountains stretching out in every direction. There are plenty of great spots to take photos, and since the area is open and spacious, you can easily find a spot without anything blocking your view. Even when it's busy, it doesn't feel crowded. We decided to wander a little further down the path where it opened up even more and found a quiet place to sit on the rocks and just take it all in. It was one of those moments where you just want to stop and enjoy how peaceful and beautiful it all is. From there, we decided to take the Sherpa Steps down the mountain instead of riding the funicular back. The path is very easy to find, and it's a popular activity for both locals and tourists. The trail zigzags down the hillside with over 1,300 stone steps that were hand-built by Sherpa craftsmen from Nepal. Along the way, there are plenty of spots to stop, rest, and take in the views of Tromsø and the surrounding fjord below. These are the Sherpa Steps. Pretty easy so far. We'll see. We'll check in when we get to the bottom. We took our time pausing for photos and just soaking up the scenery. It's such a beautiful and peaceful way to enjoy the area. Okay, so the verdict is definitely walk down one of the ways if you can. We were a little sweaty by the time we hit the bottom, but it had really good views and photo stops along the way, which was totally worth it. It took us about 45 minutes at a leisurely pace. Next, we walked back across the bridge towards the city center to explore a bit more. The harbor area is so charming with colorful buildings, shops, and cafes all along the waterfront. But our main goal at this point was food, and we knew exactly where we were headed. Tromsø is home to what's often called the best hot dog stand in the world. Raketten bar and Pølse is a tiny kiosk right by the harbor that also happens to be known as the world's smallest bar. They serve reindeer hot dogs with a variety of unique toppings, and of course, Will had to try one.
I got my reindeer hot dog here at this really cute little hot dog stand. I got fried onions and sauce on mine, and I'm about to try it and see how good it is. Really good.
Does it taste like reindeer?
Yeah.
And that brings our amazing day in Tromsø to a close. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can join us for the rest of our Norway adventure. Next week, we'll be exploring Honningsvåg, where we set out on our own again and unexpectedly came across a herd of wild reindeer. And if you'd like to see what we got up to in Flom, we'll link that video next so you can check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, safe travels.